go.
Good morning, Maine outdoor adventure guests. Here it is, 4:30 in the morning. Sarah's in the Jeep. We're gonna go do some bird hunting today. We're gonna go try to get some fish today. So off to another adventure. Here we go. Let's see what we have. Stay tuned, my friends. Let's see what we can get into. Let's see. What are we doing?
Going fishing and bird hunting.
Why so early in the morning?
Because it's a long drive.
That it is. Stay tuned. Spruce.
You can't tell if that one's a rough grouse or a spruce grouse. That keeps happening today. We've only seen spruce grouse so far. He's gonna walk up to it and see. Spruce grouse don't tend to move. Rough grouse. Ooh, I think it's oh, it is. And he got it. Look at that. First rough grouse we've seen all day, and it's 5:01. Yeah, the spruce grouse will usually let you walk up pretty close. They look similar at a distance, but when you get close, you can see a little bit of red on the spruce grouse. They're also shaped slightly differently, but he got one. Yeah. Here we go. I haven't seen any more birds. We're gonna throw a line in here at this pond that is still open in October. It is absolutely beautiful. It's always just beautiful and peaceful here. We go. I got a brookie. Get that. It's catch and release. I'm gonna get him right back in. Well, we're done for the day, headed home. Poor Brandon did not catch a single fish today.
Couldn't catch a fish for the life of me.
No, but he did shoot the only rough grouse we saw. So that's good. I caught 2 brook trout, 3 salmon, not very big, nothing impressive, and 3 bass and a white perch. So, you know, not a bad day, and we're gonna get out and do something tomorrow. I want to fish somewhere, just not sure where yet. It's Sunday, so we won't be doing any hunting, but it's dark and we're heading home.
Yeah.
Neither of us have a whole lot of ambition today, but we wanted to get out and do a little something. This is the river I grew up on, where I learned to fish, where I learned to remove hooks from my own skin. So I always love coming here, and we always get something, so hopefully we do.
We'll let it go.
Finally got one that's not a bass.
Not a bass. That's a good trout.
Yeah, it is.
No clip fins.
No, it actually doesn't. It's got pretty color. Put him back, though.
Yeah, we'll put them back on them. Grow bigger.
Yep.